These are your directions for signing up for your Calendly account and creating an event. If you did this with Bynum a few years ago, you should already have your account. If not, you're just going to use your email and sign up. It is completely free. Once you sign up, the page will come up and look like this. My event from Parent Conferences is still there. You are welcome to edit yours to reflect current dates and times, but I'm going to start from the new event type. So click on New Event, and then you're going to select One-on-One and click Create. You're going to give your event a name. You can add a location, but you don't have to. I'm going to select in-person meeting, and I am going to put our address. You can add a summary of what it is, like conferences, brief meeting to review. This will also create an event link for you. If you don't like the name that's there, you can give it your own name. You can only use lowercase letters, the numbers 0 through 9, an underscore, or a hyphen. You can also select your colors you would like to use and then click Next. The next step is actually setting our dates. We want to select within a date range, and we are going to select October 13th, 14th, and then apply. The next step is selecting your duration. So you're going to go down here. You can do a 15-minute, but if you want shorter, go to Custom and put in 10 minutes. We're going to set a custom hours. When you scroll down, it'll show you the entire week. You're going to deselect Monday through Tuesday and Wednesday, and then change Thursday and Friday off the hours. We want 4 p.m. Make sure you change it to p.m. I did not do that earlier. To 7 p.m. And then we want 8 a.m. to 11. Scroll down and then just hit Next. The rest of that information on that one is not necessary. And I did the same thing. We need PM there. Now, there's a couple things you can do, but you don't have to. I like putting invitee questions. And so I have the parents require that they give me their name, give me their email, and then you can add new questions. So questions that I've added was student's name as a separate question. I added them having to select their home room, and I did that as a multiple choice. It lets you give different kinds of question options. I also had them give me a valid a valid phone number, and then also had a comment box where they could tell me anything they were concerned or wanted to discuss at the meeting. When you hit apply, it will add all the questions in here. From there, you can actually use the arrows and adjust the order of them. You can also select if you want the question mandatory. So when you click on the question, it'll let you hit required. And that way they have to answer every question. From that point, save and close if you choose to add questions. Then click Home, and you should see your event posted. I'm going to go into my actual event, and where you see View Live Page, you can click on that, and it will open up what parents see. They click on the date, they select the time, answer the questions, and they have their time booked with you. What I need you to send to me is going back to the home screen. After your event is created, you're going to click on Copy Link, and you're going to paste it and send it to me in an email. That way I can put together a master list. Any questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help.